YouTube has just made a huge change to monetization. For everyone that was used to the rule that you needed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube has now bundled in YouTube Shorts into the mix, and this is changing the game. For the last 5 years or so, YouTube has gated the YouTube Partnership Program behind a moderately high wall of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time. The idea in this is that those are the people that are dedicated enough, that aren't throwing up videos, that aren't clipping films and TV shows, that have responsibly jumped through the hoops. They've built up an audience of 1,000 subscribers. They've done that hard work of getting 4,000 hours of watch time, which is 240,000 minutes. Have you ever considered what that actually happens to be? 60 minutes is an hour, 4,000 hours is a lifetime. I know it's not an actual lifetime, but bear with me. What YouTube is trying to do is expand the amount of places that they can place advertisements, make them more money, obviously, and now with this new arrangement, they will be allowing us to monetize shorts better than just the monetary fund. Previously, there was a monetary fund in which there was $100 million, and what you would do is you'd upload a YouTube short. If your short did very well and gained an audience, they would give you a slice of that monetary fund as like a thank you. Normally around about $1,000 to $2,000 for 1 million views. Now, for anyone that's like me, that's used to the normal AdSense rate, 1 million views and $1,000, that's not actually much. 1,000 views is around about $2 to $5 if you're in my niche. If you're in the niche when it comes to finances and stuff like that, then it can be higher. But as you figured that out, that's easily $20,000 to $100,000 for 1 million views, maybe more, compared to the 1,000 that they're offering through the monetary fund. Now, things are changing. As a window into the YouTube Partnership Program, they've now announced that you can monetize your channel if you have 10 million views on YouTube Shorts within a 90-day period. This isn't exactly a lowering of the limit. It's kind of a new gateway. So 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on YouTube Shorts within a 90-day period, and you can monetize. Now, Shorts seem to garner views quicker. However, we could now have YouTube Shorts and YouTube normal videos monetized at the same time. This also allows them to place advertisements before a Shorts video in which it can run as normal. Now, they're suggesting that this could kick in 2023. It might kick in sooner. But overall, this expands the pool of media that they can post up against. They can post more adverts in a vertical format, which is a brand new advertisement format, which some platforms are now suggesting anywhere between an 8 and 12% uptick on click-through rates for advertisers. In other words, if you're a business advertising in a vertical format, you're getting 8 to 12% more click-throughs to the thing you are advertising than a traditional horizontal video that everybody else is used to. What type of adverts are they going to be testing? Are they going to be skippable? Are they going to be non-skippable? Are they going to be bumper-based? If you have a look at some of the ads that you have on TikTok, they're there and you can skip past them, or you skip up and it goes, do you like this? Do you want to see more of this? There's nothing stopping YouTube harvesting the data behind the YouTube Shorts in themselves, so therefore seeing what interests you happen to be into and serving advertisements up against it. And in the long run, they are suggesting that they're going to add YouTube watermarks, you know, like the TikTok watermarks that bounce around the screen. You'll probably get a YouTube one as well. How do you feel about these changes? Does lowering the point of entry make YouTube monetization less special? Do you think this is a good idea, but it's going to let in a load of spam bots? Or do you think this is yet another way for them to throw more advertisements at your face and it's going to ruin your viewing experience? My personal opinion, anything that allows more creators to start making something out of this hobby that they happen to be doing is a fantastic thing. I know that making an income off of YouTube has changed my life. It's opened me up to many possibilities. I've been able to go to conferences and make friends and communicate with clients, all because I had the power of making my own income. Does this mean that YouTube Shorts could possibly be a full-time income? Maybe. Does this mean this is more video content for adverts to be served against, and so therefore lowering the CPM rates because there's so much more to advertise on, so therefore your video is slightly less valuable than it was previously. Maybe. I'm quite intrigued. Do you make YouTube Shorts? Are you going to be making YouTube Shorts now that you know that they are monetized? And have you only made YouTube Shorts on your channel? I know personally that I grew my Crypto Rookie channel a lot, with my first 30 to 50 videos solely being YouTube Shorts, and that rocketed it up. And it did build me an audience within a niche. But YouTube Shorts doesn't get the comments that you would get on a YouTube video. I'm quite intrigued. So much so that I did my own experiment with YouTube Shorts. There's a video here. Go and check that out and see how you can grow your YouTube channel and now make money using those shorts.